All right, let's see what's in the box. Oops, upside down. Typical of me. I had heard this before, not a lot. The watch with looks like some protective plastic over the face, and the charging cable. And that's pretty much it. The charger is magnetic, so there's no place on the watch to plug it into because the watch is waterproof. Here, let me just take this off there. That's much prettier now. And here are the only instructions on the whole thing. It says is go to go.getpebble.com. All right, so let's. I'll put it on my wrist. I've heard other people say that the band is a little bit on the thick side. It is a little bit, a little rubbery, like that, and that. All right, here I am. What do you think? Other than the fact that I have a hairy arm.